Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert text in OneNote. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open OneNote and here I have a document with text and images. You might assume that you can find new text boxes in the Insert tab. Here we find many elements but the text box is not one of them. Inserting text in OneNote is even easier. I simply go to the place in my document where I want to insert text and left click. This creates a new text box. I can now write any text in it or even copy paste it. Once I've written my text, I can also click on the borders of the text box to resize it as I need it. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.